Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for str and int. This error message typically occurs when you try to use the left shift operator with a string and an integer value. The left shift operator is a bitwise operator that shifts the bits of an integer to the left by a specified number of positions. To resolve this error, you should make sure that you are not trying to use the left shift operator with a string. Instead, you should convert the string to an integer if necessary. Here's an example of how you might encounter this error. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In this example, x is a string and y is the result of shifting the bits of x to the left by 2 positions. Since x is not an integer, you will get a type error with the message unsupported operand types for str and int. To fix this error, you could convert the string to an integer using the int function. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.